Hi there. Parcel day. Let's see what's in this parcel. Shake it, it's a bit rattly. I suspect. Well, it's strange, like always, but how are they packed? I think it's always quite exciting to find out. So we have some protective material, fairly good cardboard, and then inside we've got different things, little houses. That's an old metal signal box, which is actually quite cute. And we've got some Metcalf buildings which are more or less intact. We just need a little bit more glue. It's quite pretty. Here under the box, and under the box some more Metcalf buildings missing. The roof. This is a metal building, custom plastic building. No idea where this comes from. It's nice as well. Then we have here some landslides. This looks like part of a church. But where's the steeple and everything else? Never mind. This looks like a house under construction. Here we've got the bell for the church. So where's the rest of the church? Some piece of cardboard. Interesting. Right, then we've got here. That's interesting. This is sometimes a little track, or it's a different type of track. And engage. And then we've got here a small collection of tracks which I would class as leftover or waste track. They're Pico, at least it's a decent make, but it's just some flexi track which one may need from time to time. Right, so let's take the box away. Clearly a lot of waste has been delivered. Let's see what's in here. Right, if we finish this off. This issue with sellotape, isn't it? Let's see. Here are the remaining bits and pieces of the building. I see the person who sent me this has kindly disassembled it all, because I'm pretty sure in the picture they were not disassembled anyhow. So what we've got here is quite a nice, it's like a fire station probably, or some hall of some sort, which, if correctly assembled, looks rather nice. Oh, it should just be able to stuck these together. Oh, here we go. That's actually quite a nice building. I don't know what make it is. Ah, it's a Polar building. Polar had some nice things, and you can actually see that this is the different colors of the plastic. So it was liquid plastic. It's a pressed form. This must then be the rest of the church. Some factory, chimney, some the house. I do wonder where I'll be able to reassemble the church. I think there's a few more pieces missing from this church. Nothing else in the box. And last but not least is also a little end building in here. Let's look at what state this one is in. It's the chemist. Traditional house. Looks good. Looks good, quite cute. Everything's still in place. I best put this back into its original box in order to prevent it from breaking. Right, so with this I can say thanks very much for watching, and gives me something to do. Bye.